Friends, there's unofficial reports that the IDF sees that there's a chance to strike the nuclear facilities of Iran. And that means because we've knocked at Hezbollah, they're not gone, but we've really done a big damage on Hezbollah. We've also done significant work in Syria, and then even their proxies with the Islamic Jihad and Jabhat al-Nusra, and of course, Izz al-Din al-Qassam and Hamas in Gaza. They are not going to succeed. You even have breaking reports of Druze villages, 6 different Druze villages saying, we want to live under Israel's rule, not under tyranny, not under dictatorship. We don't want to live like that. And what I want to say is here, Nadav, you're here. I'm here on a little rest for the weekend, right?
Yeah.
Are you glad that I'm here?
Yeah.
And what do you feel about the time when I'm gone? You know, people are asking, how is it to live when I'm gone serving the country?
Seeing people.
And do you pray for your Abba? Do you have a prayer for someone here online?
God bless you.
We all bless you for standing with us. Okay, let's go walk over here. You want to walk up here, actually? It's higher. Don't fall. Okay, let's see where it is. Okay. Now here, let's stop here for a second. Hold it for a second. If you want to dream with us, we have a big dream. And this is that there would be people from all over the world to discover the real Israel. And this building here is abandoned, a little bit broken. And right here at the Sea of Galilee, look, there's no better view. And we kind of dream that this could be a place. It is $3 million to renovate it, but I believe that this could be a place where the nations can come to the Galilee and be part of this dream. We just passed 12/12, or the 12th of December, and doesn't Genesis 12:12 say, you will not die, but you will live? Know that God is moving in this time, and Mattia and Nadav, we know that God actually is doing his 12:12 moment right now. Exodus 12:12, look what he says he'll do against the enemies of Israel. Deuteronomy 12:12, you and your households will be joyful in God's presence. What about Joshua 12:12? You will defeat all your enemies. What about 1 Samuel 12:12? A new and better king will rule in your life. 2 Samuel 12:12, look at that. Evil plans of your enemies will be made public. 1 Kings 12:12. Your favors shall return to you. And that we just passed, and we're in now a 12:12 moment. So we just proclaim that happy are you, Israel. Happy are you, who is like you, a people saved by God, the shield of your help, the sword of your majesty. Your enemies will be found liars unto you, and you will tread on their high places. God bless you. That's Deuteronomy 33, verse 29. God bless you. Shabbat shalom.